Breaking news. Scientists are helping the blind see again by inserting microchips into the back of their eye. This discovery is appearing across every major news outlet, and I thought as a scientist I'll explain how this technology works. To explain this, we first need to understand how we see. So your eye contains a specialized type of cell called photoreceptors. Now photoreceptors can take light as an input, convert it into electrical signals that are then sent to your brain, which can read these electrical signals and produce the images that you see in front of you. But about 5 million people in the world have an eye condition that worsens with age called geographic atrophy. This can be caused by the death of the photoreceptors or by the death of a layer of cells beneath the eye called the retinal pigment epithelium. The retinal pigment epithelium provide nutrients for the photoreceptors, so without nutrients those photoreceptors will also die. With the death of the photoreceptors, your eye gradually loses its ability to respond to light, and hence you lose the signals that your brain uses to create images, meaning you slowly go blind. So how did the scientists restore the sight of the blind individuals? Well, scientists use video camera glasses to capture images and project them onto the implant on the patient. The microchip implant is placed at the back of the eye and is only 2mm by 2mm, so it's tiny. The microchip receives the images from the glasses in the form of near-infrared energy, and it converts this into electrical signals to stimulate other cells in the eye. So the implant is essentially doing the role that the photoreceptors would do in the person that can see. They're essentially an artificial photoreceptor, if you will. Once the implant has generated electrical signals, these electrical signals are then sent to the brain to produce images for the blind people. So how effective were the microchip implants? Well, of the 32 people given the implants, 27 of them can now read. One example being one of the patients called Sheila, who was blind and can now read the entire 5 lines on the eye chart that you would look at when you get your eyes tested. The results were published in the New England Journal of Medicine, and the next challenge is to make these microchips affordable and accessible to anyone who might benefit from them. Incredible.